The news about Intel Core i9-12900KS is rather dull. Out of the box, it's 6% faster than the regular Core i9-12900K. The news about the pricing of Core i9-12900KS is little short of terrifying. Here in the UK, this is £550, this is £750. That's 37% difference. An extra 37% for an extra 6% performance. So today is not a full review of this processor, which has literally just arrived. Instead, it is a quick unboxing because the packaging of this processor is absolutely fabulous. I looked at it and I thought, an Intel gold medal, and I looked again and I thought, like a Willy Wonka-esque golden chocolate ticket kind of thing, and then I realized no, it's actually a golden silicon wafer, which of course in the context of golden sample makes perfect sense. So duh, Leo. And here we go with the unboxing. That's actually pretty blooming neat. So here we go. So apart from some gilt plastic, and there we have, it is actually a retail Core i9-12900KS rather than an Intel Confidential or some such part. Over the next few days I'll get a review ready of the i9-12900KS against the regular i9-12900K. I'm not expecting any great revelations or surprises. No doubt it'll be slightly faster, slightly more juicy and slightly harder to cool. I do however like Intel's golden wafer.